Hey, what's up you guys? This is Sierra, also known as Cali Curls. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm taking you through my wash day process and how I get my twist outs popping. So if you guys are aware, I have been doing a hair growth challenge with Renewed Hair Grow Company for the past 2 months. I'm doing a 3-month challenge. So this is the end of 2 months. I've been seeing growth. My hair is getting thicker, more manageable. So it's been going great. First, I start off with, before washing my hair, a hot oil treatment. I use their elixir. This is like liquid gold. This stuff is bomb. I use it every 3 days for scalp massages as well. But I put this on prior to help with the detangling process. And then I also see less shedding when I do this prior to getting in the shower. I just make sure I focus on the ends of my hair because that's where it tangles. And then I'm just going to twist this up in different chunky twists. And then I'm going to head into the shower using their cleanser and their conditioner. I start off with their cleanser. This is an African soap-based shampoo. This stuff, a little goes a long ways. And as soon as I apply it to my scalp, it immediately suds up. So I love that. It doesn't dry out my hair. And it leaves my hair feeling really cleansed, like thoroughly cleansed without it stripping my natural oil. So you can see how it immediately suds up my hair. And I'm not even in the shower with water. So imagine when I'm in the shower with that water running down, you're just getting rid of all that dirt and gunk. I love it. So after I'm done, I just rinse that out. As the water's rinsing out too, you're also cleansing the rest of your hair going down. But after I'm done cleansing all that shampoo out, I will section off my hair and I'm going in with their conditioner. Now I use this as an in-shower conditioner for 5 minutes. If I'm like washing my body, I'll use it as a co-wash and I'll use it as a deep conditioner. So I'll just apply this to my hair and then start twisting it up. And after I'm done twisting that up, to just really amplify the deep conditioning process, I add a little bit of the elixir. That just makes the deep conditioning process so much more better. So if you need a boost, an extra boost, because I went a week without washing my hair or doing any co-wash, I suggest adding the elixir to your deep conditioners. So after I'm done, I did a deep conditioner too with the hot head cap. So I'm just like doing the most pampering to my hair this week, since I went a week without doing anything to it, just really adding that elixir oil. And look at how my hair came back. It looks healthy, it looks moisturized. It didn't look so dry as it did at the beginning of the video. So, doing that hot oil treatment and doing that deep conditioning treatment, it just brings my hair back to life. And I love it so much. It's really the way that my hair feels that makes me more excited compared to how it looks. I mean, it looks great, but the way that it feels is just so healthy. So I'll go into doing my twists. Nothing special to it. I'll add a cream or a leave-in conditioner and the elixir. I don't add any styling products or anything. I'll twist it up for 2 days. Continue doing my workouts, going places and doing that. When I do my workouts, I use a satin scarf to make sure that it catches as much sweat as possible so I'm not ruining my hair. And I also use the elixir to help reduce frizz. I use it as a sealant. I apply it to my scalp every 3 days. So I just love the multi-use from this oil. It's one of my favorite products and it just helps your hair grow. So I'll use it to help reduce frizz, and I just take out my twists. I suggest taking your time when taking out your twist just to reduce even more frizz. But you can see I'm just ramming through this and unraveling this. And so far recently, especially after been using Renewed Hair Company, twist outs have been my favorite. I remember I used to dread and hate doing twist outs because they would only last for 1 to 2 days because my hair was so thin and so damaged. It just didn't look great. I was only doing wash and goes. And now that my hair is so healthy, the density is on point, and like these styles are just coming out so great. So I have not seen my hair look this great in years, okay? Because after going through postpartum shedding, going through hair damage, I just have not seen my hair this healthy, and I'm obsessed. I love it. Thank you so much, Renewed Hair Company, for really giving me the opportunity to just focus on sticking with your products for the past 2 months. I'm excited to see what one more month is going to do to my hair. And yeah, this is how I get my twist outs. Some of you guys have been asking for that. If you don't like as much volume as I do, you don't have to pick it out. You could stop from there. But I love the fullness, I love the density, and I love how defined my hair looks. So here goes the final results. It looks great. I love it. Look how thick my hair looks. And that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to see what another month until I really give you guys the ultimate update of what these products did to my hair. But again, thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.